Morning class. Welcome students today in your computer online class. Today we will start chapter 1 which is number system. In this chapter we will talk about the different number systems and how to convert decimal number system into binary number system. Now, as you all know, number system which is used to do calculation. A number system is used to do calculation. Different types of calculation should be done by number system. So the different types of number system are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. First of all, I would like to tell you about decimal number system. Decimal number system consists 10 digits which is 0 to 9 with the base 10. Binary number system consists 2 digits 0 and 1 with the base 2. Octal number system consists 8 digits 0 to 7 with the base 8. Hexadecimal number system consists 16 symbols. Remember, here I am not using word digits. Here I am using word symbol because hexadecimal number system consists 0 to 9 numbers which is 10 digits and A to F alphabets means to 6 symbols. So that is 16 symbol with the base 16. Here I am using word base again and again. So how can we decide the base for the number system? So for deciding the base for the number system, the base of the number system is the number of digit used in it. जो नंबर हम यूज़ करते हैं डिजिट्स में नंबर सिस्टम में, उसी नंबर सिस्टम को हम उसका बेस कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम देयर आर 10 डिजिट्स, सो इट्स बेस शुड बी 10. Binary 2 digits, so its base should be 2. Octal 8, hexadecimal 16, so its base should be 16. Now the second thing is conversion of decimal number system into binary. So here we are going to see how we will convert decimal number system into binary. As you can see, 20, 30, 80, all these numbers are decimal number system. To converting this number into coding system which is binary numbers, it is the process changing decimal number into binary. First, we will divide the given decimal number with the base 2. The second step should be write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Third is repeat the step 2 till the quotient becomes 0. Now students, you can see I am going to convert a number 25 into binary. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, remainder is 1. Then 2 6 are 12, there is no remainder, so we will write here 0. 2 3s are 6, there is no remainder, so we will write here 0. 2 1s are 2 and there is one remainder, so we will write it here. Then after writing binary numbers, we will write the binary number in the sequence most significant number to least significant number, means from bottom to top. For your knowledge, I would like to say that bottom to top, नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ हम binary numbers को लिखते हैं. As usual, here is number 1 1 0 0 1. This is the binary number for the number 25. So decimal number 25, it is converted into binary. The number should be 11001 with the base 2. I am using here base 2 because binary numbers has base 2. अगर हम डेसिमल को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हम बेस 2 लिखेंगे, और बाइनरी को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो हम यहाँ पे इसका बेस 10 लिखेंगे. नाउ इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू conversion of binary into decimal. So practice it with the worksheet.